Ice cream lovers, welcome to this session of Scoop School. It's wonderful to have you here in the crossroads of the West, St. Louis, Missouri. Steve Christensen's my name. I'm the self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. Another nice person / company that we want to thank is Dippin' Flavors. They sponsored this episode, very important episode, I don't mind saying. All of their links are down below here. Check them out. Anything that goes on ice cream, in ice cream, they ship all over the country. Thank you, Jim, Ryan, all the crew down there at Dippin' Flavors for your episode sponsorship. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now here's the thing. This is a fraud alert, public service announcement. This thing has been really kind of traveling around the traps for years, and you might say to yourself, do people really still fall for this? And yourself may say, actually, they do. What are we talking about? We're talking about people contacting your store by your store phone and basically representing themselves to be somebody else and getting your shift manager, employee to basically close the store down, take money out of the till, and go and exchange it for Google Play cards and basically extorting money, taking money out of that. Now, how does that happen? In the couple that I have personally interacted with the owners, it's a phone call coming in from the police department. The phone literally says, Smithtown Police Department, and your shift manager may call up, generally at a quiet time, and the other person on the other side says that they're the sheriff, they're an investigator, they're the FBI, they're the CIA, they're the IRA, they're the IRS. Basically saying, look, your store owners are involved in some criminal activity. Please don't tell them about this process, but basically close down the store, take the money out of the till and bring it to somewhere where we can secure those funds. And crazily enough, it's go down to Walgreens or the gas station and put it in a Google Play card or something like that. Most business owners and older people who have been around the traps think, again, how can people possibly fall for this? So they would literally take money out of the till and then basically hand it over to somebody else. It happens. It's been happening for a few years now. It's basically to the point where people are losing thousands and thousands of dollars. And recently, on some of the posts that we follow, they're now representing themselves as the electric company, utilities companies, and so forth. It's a very intricate scheme. They're very convincing. They're putting this pressure on younger employees to say, if you don't do something now, there's going to be real trouble. And younger employees are taking the bait and basically losing hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars for their employees. So please show this video to all of your employees. I really do feel as though a lot of ice cream shop owners, retail in general, should know about this. These guys are basically targeting ice cream shops because of the inexperience of youth that work in ice cream shops. Can be a real challenge sometimes. If you have any call about management, about funds, you need to talk to your manager / owner about it before you do anything about closing the store, taking money out of the till, anything like that. Always as the first port of call, talk to your store owners. And store owners, you need to be able to convey this so that when these calls come in, they don't think it's, the legit thing to do. Can't stress it enough. Started out being representatives of the police, now it's basically a broad spectrum of authority type figures trying to take money from your business. Educate your crew, show them this video if you must. We really want to make sure that all of our ice cream shop owners, frozen dessert place owners are well equipped, well informed to basically prepare for this kind of thing. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment down below. If it's happened to you, leave a comment down below. And hopefully together we can work on this to eradicate fraud and theft from the ice cream industry. So thank you very much, Jimmy and the crew at Dippin' Flavors. Kind of an unusual video, but something that had to be done. Again, their link is down below. Reach out to Scoop School. Happy to help you where we can to be successful in your ice cream business. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.